In this video, I'm going to show you how to create new accounts. So in this question, we're up to these two dot points here. We're going to create an expense account called miscellaneous expenses and create a header account called motor vehicle. There's the number, and a detail account called motor vehicles at cost. There's the number, and then a third account, motor vehicles accumulated depreciation, and there's the account number there. Okay, so in MYOB, to create new accounts, we're going to go up to the same setup up the top, easy setup assistant, and we're into accounts again. Introduction, that's fine. Accounts list, this is where we edit accounts, we've already done that. Down here in the edit, we can actually add new accounts as well here at this new button. So I'm going to click on new. The first account we need to add is an expense account called miscellaneous expenses, and that's the number there, 6-3600. So the account type, it's not an other asset, it's an expense. So down to expense, the number was 6-3600. You can see the 6 is already been added in here for us. The account name was I can't spell, MISCELLAN EOUS expenses. Opening balance, leave that 0, and then we OK that. So now if we have a look down here at our expenses, we're going down to the 600s. We just added one. So I'm looking for 6-3600. You can see it here. 6-3600 miscellaneous expenses. And if I go and click that little arrow, here it is here. I'm just going to OK that for now. Next one. From the question, asks us to create a header account called motor vehicles, and that's the number there. Okay, so a header account is slightly different. An example of a header account would be this here, 6-4000. So it's in bold, and underneath that are all the sub accounts. So we're going to create a asset account. So it'll look something like this, store fittings, and then under it will be two detail accounts. So that's a header account, these are two detail accounts. So again, we go new, other assets, so this is going to be a fixed asset because it's a motor vehicle, and the number is 1-3100. So in here, 1-3100, and this is called motor vehicles, and the opening balance, that's leave. Now before you get off this screen, up here we have two options, detail or header. This is actually a header account, so we have to change that. I'm going to OK that. So you'll see in our account list the motor vehicle that we just added here, 1-3100. Okay, next one. We've added the head account, then a detail account. So motor vehicles at cost, 1-3110, and then motor vehicles accumulated depreciation, 1-3120. So I'm going to go ahead and add these now. There was a fixed asset account number. (1-3110). One's already there, so just 3110. That is a motor vehicle at cost. We're going to OK that. That was a detail account. New detail account again. Fixed asset 1-131. 1-3120. 3120. This is called motor vehicles accumulated depreciation. motor vehicles accumulation depreciation. Okay, that. So we'll be able to see that set up down in here. Here's our header accounts in bold, motor vehicles, and then the two detail accounts that we just created. Motor vehicles at cost, motor vehicles accumulated depreciation. So I'm going to go next that. Opening balances I'll show you in another video. And then we can close that, close that. So that's how you create new accounts.